Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of CB7 Media, and today we're talking about Betty White. Yes, that's her name. She came with the name, and really the name fits. She's a super clean car. She does have a little bit of rust on her, which you can see here in the back. We've got the nice window screen here that he cut off, so you just get the little girl peeking over the sheets. We got the window tints. We got the visors. Got a little bit of rust, but hey, we can fix this. This is all fixable. Got some nice rims on it. We got the wing here in the back. We've got the aftermarket taillights. This is an Accord LX sedan. We have the roof rack. We have another little scoop right here. And we have the hood bra, as you guys saw the first of the video. And well, I just went and picked this car up not too long ago down by St. Louis, and it is a pretty clean car. Let's check out the interior of it. Alright, here's the interior. It's got the blue interior with the white. The color code on this car is NH5383. You can see here, got a nice clean interior. This thing is basically spotless on the inside. You know, absolutely amazing. I already got the car seat in here, as you can see, for the little one. You got the fold down armrest in the back. He's got the added tweeters in the back, as well as the tweeters here. Aftermarket stereo. We got this little guy in here. And again, did I mention the roof rack? Yeah, I love the roof rack. It really sets this car off, especially with the way that the guy who had this car before me, what he did with it was just amazing. He did all the pinstriping on it. You notice here on the taillights, he also put pinstriping on them. And as well as the stock headlights. As you can see here, you put some pinstriping across the lines that actually already run across it. You just put the pinstriping on there, and it looks pretty dope. You got the pinstriping across here. Yes, this is Betty White, and I am so glad that I went and got her. She gets to join the clan with the Gremlin, which you guys have seen quite a bit of. I've done the ignition bypass on there with the toggle switches, and yes, there's more videos coming soon. Still need to get the bumper guard put back on the back. As you can see, I've done some body work on it, so hopefully soon this thing's going to get a paint job at some point, and maybe some new rims and few other things, but it's still a work in progress. And well, it's the Gremlin and it's my baby. And we have the Shitbox, which is a badass little car. It takes an abuse and a beating. It has the most rust on it out of all the cars. It's got an F22A1 engine in it. I've replaced the transmission in it. This thing has a different motor in it. There's a long history behind this car, and if you are not on Instagram, then you wouldn't really know the story. But check out my Instagram, CB7 Media, and you'll find a picture of this car and understand the story behind it. Alright, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button if you're new here, and also hit the like button for Betty over here. Being added to the collection is a huge deal. Let me get my hand out of the way here. Betty here being added to the collection is a huge deal, so make sure you hit the like button for Betty. Really helps with the algorithm. You guys have been amazing. More subscribers come in every day, so like I said, please hit that subscribe button if you are new here and just seeing my videos. There will be more videos coming of Betty here, and they're going to be so awesome. And I've also got some more videos coming for the Gremlin. I know I keep saying that, but I'm really slow posting videos. So if you're new here, again, check out my Instagram, CB7 Media over on Instagram, and you can stay up to date with more things that I post over there. mostly pictures and what I'm doing and what's going on. And then over here, I do my repair videos and things like that. So make sure that you check out CB7 Media over on Instagram. Well, for now, that's it. So hopefully next week, I will have my next video finished up, which I'm working on right now. But I'm not going to tell you what it is. It's a surprise for this one. Have a good day, guys. I'll see you later.